Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this MagiClip Merida from Brave. This Merida comes with an extra dress and it's so beautiful. Here she is in a blue dress. Then we can take it out. She's wearing blue flats. And we can put on the brand new dress. And of course, if you have any other dolls from this MagiClip collection, you can give Merida many other looks. Let's try on Queen Elsa's dress. So you remove this one, remove the one from Elsa. Well, we can try this one on Elsa. It works. So now Merida is gonna have a brand new dress. We can also try one from Princess Anna. Fits perfectly. Let's see if Anna can wear Merida's dress. It doesn't close as perfect. It's a little bit open on the shoulders. Well, I think we should give Merida a summer dress using Play-Doh. First, we're gonna give her a little base. For her dress, we're gonna use blue Play-Doh. And there you go, our Merida has a brand new summer dress. When you're done playing with Play-Doh, you just remove it. You're not gonna damage your doll because the Play-Doh comes off really easily. And now we just get her other dress and put it back on. And now we have all of our princesses back in gowns. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Play-Doh and the MagiClip collection.